In this video, we are going to understand how to move a character on the sprite using the arrow keys from the keyboard, just like you are playing any video game. So you use arrow keys. So let's say we take this particular character for this particular activity, and we delete the cat sprite, take an appropriate background. So we go to the sprites library, and from the search box, let's say search for this soccer field. Just like they are playing soccer, so they need to move continuously on the field, so using the arrow keys. So from the instruction category, we are going to put these four set of instructions that when you press the up arrow, when you press the down arrow, when you press the left arrow, when you press the right arrow. So using these four arrow keys, what should happen? So we are going to change the coordinates, just like the x-axis and the y-axis. So let's say we say that here change the x-axis, and for the first two instructions, and let's say one is going up, one is going down, and for the next set of instructions change the y-axis, again one for positive, one for negative, just like one for moving forward, one for stepping backward. So here you can see when you press this key, so it is moving forward. When you press this key, it is coming back. When you're pressing this, it is moving up, just like moving up here, moving to the left side, and with this appearing to the right side back. So this is how, using the arrow keys, we make the character move up here on the game stage like this. So we give an appropriate name to this and save our work. So this is like basically moving a character using the arrow keys, and we are through.